everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jessie if it's your first time here. I hope you're all doing super amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications if you want to see more videos from me. In today's video, I've got a swimwear haul for you guys. For me, it's actually getting colder, but I know for some of you guys that you're super excited to be heading into spring and summer. I do have some of these new swim collections from Blackbough Swim. I have actually never tried this brand before, but they are so popular on social media, so here we are. So as always, I will be leaving my measurements in the description down below, along with all the items that I've mentioned and where you can purchase these from. We will be doing the unboxing, trying on first impressions and reviewing all the items. Let's get straight into it. They've even given me cute little stickers as well. And I think this is a beach cover. Definitely need this. And then we've got some bikini sets inside. Let's start with these first. This is like a mesh material, super duper soft. It's in a size small, so this would be the skirt. And this one is also in the mesh material, the t-shirt version, and it's also in a size small. So smooth, it's so soft, so lightweight, and look at that, so stretchy as well. Front sharp detail on the side, so you can actually just pull it up, super adjustable. And with the skirt, same thing, really stretchy, super soft mesh material. And on the sides, you can also adjust the length of the skirt. First up, we've got the Dixie Top and the Dixie Bottoms. Cutest thing ever, and they actually threw in an extra headband. Okay, so let's start with the top. It's made of a smock swim fabric. You've got the tie-up halter neckline and also the tie-up back. Scrunch detail in the center as well to make it a sweetheart neckline. Thin straps. It's super duper stretchy. There is no padding underneath this, but it is double lined, so it prevents it from being see-through even after you swim. As for the bottom, it's got the tie-up straps on the side, so it's adjustable for a custom fit. Moderate coverage, a little bit cheeky, and these are also double lined to make sure they're not see-through. Super duper stretchy, and I absolutely love the texture of this. Here is the matching headband. The top just sits and fits so nice and comfortably. The straps are adjustable, so they're perfect for customization, and they're thin as well, so they're perfect for tanning. I love how you can adjust the cup sizes, and with the halter straps on the top, even if you didn't want to wear it as a halter, you can tie it across like that and then it'll be a bandeau. Bottoms are super comfy. They're not high rise, but you can always pull the sides up. These are pretty moderate coverage. It is a little cheeky, and because the sides are tied up, you can tailor it to whatever size you want. This is pretty versatile. And then we've got the matching headband. These ones are the Liv Top and the Liv Bottoms in the color lavender. The bikini top is not padded, but this is also double lined to make sure it's not see-through. The cups are adjustable, and there's a tie-up detail on the front for a tailored fit. This is also seamless to prevent chaffing, and it's got little cutout detail flowers on the front and these gorgeous little gold embellishments. The matching bottoms are adjustable coverage from modest to cheeky, tie-up straps on the side on the waistband for a custom fit. It's got the matching gold details on the side as well, and this is also double lined. I love the little cutout patterns on it, very pretty. This color is just so beautiful as well, and the top is just fully customizable in terms of the fitting. You can adjust the straps on the top, and you can adjust the straps here. You can adjust the size of the cup. The whole bikini top, you can just tailor it to your fit and sizing and style. Absolutely love the gold details on it. I think it just adds a beautiful little touch. And in terms of the bottoms, these bikini bottoms are definitely a whole lot cheekier than the pink one we just tried. The front is a low rise, but once again with these you can just pull it higher if you want a higher fit. And just like the top, the bottoms you can slide the coverage. So I'm trying the bikini cover, and this is just so cute. I love how it's customizable in terms of the length. So you can definitely pull it up or pull it down. It's the perfect amount of coverage for the beach or the pools. These are just so adorable. Next up, we've got the Mila Top and Mila Bottoms. These are also in a size small in the color Seafoam. This set is also made with the same smoked swim fabric. It has the built-in underwire for support, adjustable tie-back detail, and also adjustable thin straps. This one is also not padded, but it's actually triple lined, so it's definitely going to make sure that it's not see-through. So cute. I absolutely love this colour. As for the Mila Bottoms, these are high leg. It's got a cheeky fit, tie-up details on the side, and also triple line. Very, very stretchy as well. This one is also so cute. I can't get over the colour and the material. I love this detail. Bikini top is super flattering. It's got the underwire that helps push up, and even though none of these have padding, they are not see-through at all. The straps are adjustable, and then you've got the cute little bow on the back. As for the bikini bottoms, these definitely have a lot more coverage than the other two, but it's still super flattering and gives you just enough coverage for that little cheeky look. I love the big bow details on the side. I feel like a little ballerina. I think this color is just super refreshing. It's so beautiful, and this whole set is just super duper cute. This is the Claudia Top and Bottoms with a matching headband as well in a size small in the colour hot pink. For the bikini top, you've got the runched up detail for an adjustable fit on the cup size. You also tie it around the back as well and around the neck, so it's a halter neck. There's also no padding on these as well, but they are double lined. And then you've got the gold embellishments on the straps. As for the bottoms, these kind of look like a high cut fit, a little bit cheeky, and you've got the asymmetrical tie-up detail on the side. It's got the runched up detail all over, so it's adjustable sizing and coverage, and the material itself is quite stretchy as well. And then we have the cute little headband. I love how comfy the top is, the colour, it's a halter neck, and then you can adjust the middle section here, so if you want it further apart, closer together. You can also adjust the back, it's super comfortable and just really customizable. Straps on the back are quite thick on this one as well, so it gives you a cute little bow. As for the bikini bottoms, these fit perfectly. I don't think I've ever tried a bikini bottom with asymmetrical tie-ups, but this just looks so cute. The coverage is also adjustable on these bottoms as well, so you can minimize or maximize coverage along the band. This set is new. We also got this in a size small. The top is in your halter neck design, triangle size cups that move around the straps for a custom fit. This also has no padding, but it is double lined. It also has the gold ring embellishments on the top as well. And the matching bottoms are also double lined. It's got the tie-up straps on the side, the gold details on the front and the back. A super cheeky fit, and it's also very stretchy. I love the bright color of this. The cups and the coverage are adjustable, and even though there's no padding underneath, it's not see-through. So the halter neck ties around your neck, and then the straps on the side are pretty long, so you can pretty much tie it however you want. What I've done is just crossed it over so it's got a little crisscross pattern, and then looped it back up around the back. These fit perfectly, they're so comfortable. Love the little gold embellishment details on them. The bottoms are low rise, so it's got the matching gold details, and then you tie it up on the side. The side straps are pretty long as well, and I've just pulled them up for a higher rise. The coverage of the bottoms is not adjustable, but they are a bit of a cheeky fit. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, what did you guys think about the brand? I absolutely loved every single piece. Let me know in the comment section down below. Love to hear from you. Please remember to like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Really appreciate it. Also follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see daily content. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now. Take care.